Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the Chroma feature on CapCut PC. So you can use the Chroma feature to remove the background or a certain part of your video, and you can find the picture. Um, for example, I'm going to sorry, I'm going to select the photo and you can find the chroma key picture. Just click cutout. Here's chroma key. You can turn on and select the color picker and select the color you want to remove from the photo, and you can adjust for this strength and then shadow until you find a perfect. Right. So background has been removed. You can move up and add another background. So alright, that's how you can use the chroma key button. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.